So what's unique about DXC is we are the largest technology independent service provider in the market. It's a really unique position, but it's also very challenging in that you have to be nimble, you have to be able to solve problems with a whole range of technologies. What's really unique about Drexel is that you have an education curriculum built around the co-op. It's not just bolted on. It's not just, hey, you can take a co-op, we'll give you a couple hours for it, good luck. It's, we're gonna build an actual educational experience around it. And so the talent that you guys have here, they have both the academic understanding, but they have the practical skills and knowledge that it's like the lifeblood of what we do. And having access to that kind of talent, it's very unique for us.
So I've learned a lot during my time at DXC. I actually didn't know a lot of coding, especially in Python. And being at DXC and learning a lot of stuff from the projects, I was able to become really proficient in coding and programming, and especially Python. I also learned a lot about graph theory, network analysis, and artificial intelligence, which was really interesting. Jerry has been a great mentor. He's my manager, and he has been teaching me all different concepts, starting from communication to coding and meeting senior leadership. He has been very helpful. So I'm grateful for DXC to help me learn these things.
For me personally, I think the thing which I like the most is sky's the limit. There is no bound to your imagination. You can do whatever you want. So on one day I could be working with somebody with 30 years of experience and supporting something which is a very legacy environment. And the other day I'm looking and talking to a fresh graduate with a hacking mentality, coming up with things which are like, wow, it still wow me at this point. So I enjoy that. I see the diversity, I see that innovation, and I see that creativity, which is definitely very rewarding. It's very self-fulfilling also.
So the most surprising part of being at DXC was that the leadership is very nice and welcoming and approachable to come and talk to, and that's been very surprising to me.
It's really challenging in that we have to deal with a lot of different technologies and a lot of different industries. But what's really rewarding about that is that there's so many opportunities to do things that really make a difference to our clients. So, I don't know, one day I will be working on being able to use AI to develop personalized career plans for large organizations. And then the next day, I'm working on being able to personalize healthcare recommendations for patient cohorts. So the ability, the opportunities to really dive in and do things where you can actually see that it's making a difference and making a difference to a large number of people, that's really rewarding for me. I mean, the technology is cool, but applying that technology in a way that, impacts people and, does some good, I love it.